So here's Underdog Fantasy Sports app, and yeah, how it works. It's one of the top fantasy sports app in US. Earn more than bragging rights on the smoothest app experience in the daily fantasy sports game. Fans just like you have already been paid out over 600 million playing PCAM, daily drafts, and season-long best ball. Think you know your sports. Pick'em lets you choose 2 to 5 of your favorite players and decide whether they will go higher or lower. Hit all 5 selections to 20x your money. The biggest fantasy contest. Join Basketball Mania 4. Our team is your team. Simple, straightforward transactions. So yeah, as you can see, this app is kind of quite high in the charts in US sports category. Then you can just open it up. And then, yeah, here you can see featured drafts, which you can enter. Of course, just using your own judgment. It's very easy to lose money actually in this kind of apps, but yeah, you need to be kind of a specialist and understand the sport where you bet in. There is NFL, NBA, NHL, PGA, MLB, active, completed, and then you will see all your bets and all of that. Then you can just select sport. Then you can easily deposit. But yeah, this app is only available in US, I guess. So yeah, then you have PCAM. Then you can just make some picks here. You can see live, you can see results. Then there is news feed to make yourself more educated. Then there is your account. Here in the account, you can invite friends. So if you use my promo code when creating an account, you can get some additional cash. I think you can get up to $100. Your friends also get their first deposit matched in bonus cash up to $100. But you need to use this code, or you can also share it to your friends. And then if you deposit your money, I will get some $10 earned. And then you will also get some free deposit cash, I guess. So you enter in your promo code just when you're creating your account, when you tap sign up button, and that's the first screen you see, is to enter a promo code. If you created an account without promo code, well, either just create a new account or you need to reach out to their support. I just reached out about this issue. Yeah, so to enter promo code when you have already created an account. And then withdrawal, you can use PayPal or you can use Interchecks. So yeah, verify information. You can verify information. I think preferably with government ID. So probably you will need that to actually play in the app. So that's the idea. Yeah, that's the app. One of the top apps in this category. So give it a try.